Hello. Hold on. Hello, bote, bonjour, bahatimo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys can see on the title, this will be another quick unboxing from Black Love Boutique. At this point, I think it's like a sponsorship, partnership, brand ambassador, whatever you call it, because they just love me. They liked the first video and they were like, why not? Let's do another one. And I decided I'm gonna just do a second video. And they said pick something else, or just want another shirt. And I was like, I'm gonna pick something else from the website so I could just show you guys what they have and stuff. I hope you guys liked the last video of their t-shirt with the one that says Queen. I love it. It's really pretty. And I think today I got something else. So I already know what I picked, but I haven't seen it physically because I decided I think it would be better just to show it to you guys. We're all unboxing it together instead of me unboxing and then making a video on it. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Oh, not gonna lie, guys, my hair grew. That's one too. Yeah, I like this fro though. Like, I love it. And I kind of like it just due to the fact I'm doing something about black business, black owned business, and my hair look like this. That's so cool. That's so cool. Anyway, let's get this started. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I've been having like the worst back issue ever. But before I continue, if you have not watched my spring weekend video, please go check it out. It's really good. It's really funny. I enjoy vlogging that video. Shout out to everybody on that video. I can say everybody's name, but respectfully, I'm gonna forget. But shout out to all of y'all. Love you guys. You guys were the best. It was a great ass spring weekend. Good vibes only. And it was late and it was fun. So, love y'all. Okay. I can't open bags for me. I can't open nothing. Okay. Oh. Oh, it's a big bag. Hold on. Can you guys see? So here's the bag. I was expecting a zipper on it, but there's no zipper. I'm trying to figure it out. How do you like work this? I think it's a beach bag. It's a beach bag. It's big. It's huge. I think this would be good for moms, like moms who just be throwing kids stuff in here. This is great. People who go out to the beach, this is great for them. And I love it because it said melanin powered by the sun. Black love is so pretty, dark skin, gorgeous, our black queens out there. So this is really cute. I actually really like it. It's huge though, but I think it's good, right, guys? You guys think? It is big. It's actually really big. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it's really, I think it's more of a beach bag. So let's see how I look with that, like a little cute fit on. I'm gonna just keep this fit on, but I'm gonna show you guys how. Okay, guys. So here is the bag, like a full 3D, as you can see. It's really a beach bag. If you want to take it to the beach or you're on vacation and you just want to like stuff everything in here, this is the bag for it. It's really nice. Like I said, it's shred melon powered by the sun. And then here, oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. Here it says love thyself. So it's really pretty. Anybody could buy it. Black Love Boutique just don't sell bags and t-shirts. They also sell mugs and candles. So check them out. Again, I will put their Instagram page down here and the website, everything. Please go ahead and check them out. See you guys.